Good afternoon to ladies and gentlemen. My name is Supriyadi. I come from a master degree in electrical engineering from the Universitas Sumatera Utara campus. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my paper with the title Analysis of Mixing Oil Dial-B with S2Z UI for Cooling System used in Power Transformer.
Okay, I will start from introduction. It's generally agreed the electrical and the electric requirement for any insulated fluid must meet the following requirement. Number 1, chemical and thermal stability. Number 2, good electrical and thermal properties. Number 3, low viscosity. Number 4, good properties at low temperature. Number 5, compatibility with the other transformer material. Number 6, low flammability. Number 7, environmental stability. Experiment methods. The method used for the application of mineral insulating oil to transformer according to interpretation of IC 60296 such as number 1, viscosity. Viscosity is important in controlling heat dissipation. Number 2, breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage is measure of the ability for insulating oil withstand electrical stress and is very important for safe operation of electrical equipment. Number 3, water content. Water content in the insulation will affect the breakdown voltage of the oil solid insulation and the agency tendency of liquid and solid insulation. Number 4, acidity. The acid content or neutralization value of oil is the measure for component of acid or contaminant in oil. Number 5, density. Density in order ice resulting from freezing free water from floating to the surface of the oil in cold climates. The density of the oil must be low enough and conductor jam may cause disturbance condition to develop. Number 6, flash point. Flash point oil limit caused by electrical discharge or prolonged exposure to very high temperature can produce sufficient quantity of low molecular. Number 7, pour point. Pour point, the lowest temperature at which oil will simply fall is the pour point for the mineral insulating oil. Number 8, corrosive sulfur. Corrosive sulfur, the amount of sulfur in the oil depends on the refining process of the oil, the degrees of refining and the type of crude oil. Number 9, interfacial tension. Interfacial tension between oil and water in use to detect present diesel contaminant and degradation product. Number 10, the electric dissipation factor. The parameter is very sensitive to the presence of diesel for contaminant, aging product or colloid, sediment, fluid in the oil. Number 11, total acidity. The ability of the new insulating mineral oil to resist oxidation at elevated temperature in the presence of the oxygen and copper catalyst is called oxidation stability. Number 12, sludge. The twist distinguishes between sediment and mud. The sediment test aim to measure how much percent the impurity is against the transformer insulating oil. The test basically compares the weight of the filter precipitate with the weight of the oil under test. The result can be looked from the table displayed 12 parameter from Diala S2 ZUI 100%. The result of testing characteristic of mixture of cell Diala S2 ZUI and cell Diala B transformer oil before being processed in laboratory oil tested with a composition of 50% cell Diala S2 ZUI and 50% cell Diala B. The result of the 12 parameter is still normal limit according to the IC 60296 standard. Result and discussion. The result of testing the characteristic of transformer oil with the cell Diala S2 ZUI type before processed in the laboratory. The oil tested will composition of 100% without mixture with the existing oil, namely Diala B, and the result of the 12 test parameters are still within normal limit according to IEC 60296 standard can be used in insulating oil and cooling system of power transformer. However, apart for testing the characteristic of the oil parameter, the other tests are needed, such gassing tendencies, purple PCI, PCB content, total sulfur, antioxidant, addictive, and color. After measure from the Diala S2 ZUI and cell Diala B transformer can be displayed from the result from the table. Number 1 and number 2 12 parameter can be looked in the table. Conclusion. In this paper, oil testing is carried out in a laboratory. The laboratory test result for the 12 parameter taken indicated that the insulating oil sample a new type Diala S2 ZUI 100% and new mixture of insulating oil Diala S ZUI Diala B 50% compare 50% meet new insulating oil specification before processing. Thank you very much for the attention.